Hello everyone, my name is Nida Anhovia and our presentation, my research is determination of optimal distribution center location for COVID-19 pandemic social assistance, a case in South Jakarta. The author is me, Nida, Muhammad Hisham and Wahyudi Stopo, and we came from Universitas 11 Maret, Surakarta. The chapter in my presentation is Introduction, Literature Review, Research Method, Result and Discussion, and Conclusions. Introduction. According to WHO, COVID-19 is a global pandemic. By data as of April 15, 2020, almost 2 million positive cases in global, more than 5,000 positive cases in Indonesia, and more than 2,000 positive cases in Jakarta. Therefore, the Jakarta Regional Government is taking the step of large-scale social restriction or PSBB to eradicate the spread of the coronavirus. As a result of this PSBB, many people experience the impact of being closed off, working from home, or being laid off. So that the government moved to provide social assistance to affected communities and also the poor. The social assistance is in the form of staples consists of 5 kilograms of rice, 2 packets protein food products, 2 pack of biscuit, 0.9 liters of cooking oil, 2 pieces of bed soup, and 2 pieces of cloth masks. The social assistance will be distributed directly to residents' homes by involving local officials such as RT, RW, and sub-districts. The assumption used in this study is that the number of people who will get social assistance is the poor who have been census in 2019. Then the location of the case study is South Jakarta. This research will discuss determining the optimal point to be distribution center. Next, the ability to manage distribution center today is an element of competitive advantage which is very important for many industry. What needs of the community needs to look at and consider the supply chain so that the fulfillment of raw material when lacking is not difficult and can be a consideration for policymakers to choose where policy to choose. In the study, the location model is used to determine the location of the proposed distribution center. For iteration of the location placement model, backup location model is a model used to determine the location of the facilities that is transfer distribution costs from the warehouse to the market. The gravity location model method is one of the methods in selecting the location of the facility. By using this method, the distance or cost to the facility to be built or existing will be minimized. In principle, this method seeks the optimal value that can be obtained by considering the fulfillment of demand and supply at the lowest transportation cost. Next, this is the literature review, research case study, and this is the data DKI Jakarta according to BPS. And this is the table 1, explain that poverty line, number, and percentage of poor people in rural area by regency or municipality in DKI Jakarta province 2018 and 2019. This is the poverty line, number of poor people, and percentage of poor people. From the table 1, it can be seen that the percentage of poor population of DKI Jakarta in 2019 is 3.47%. And this percentage decreased by 0.10% from the previous years. The lowest percentage of poor population is in the South Jakarta municipality, which is 2.73%, and the highest in the Thousand Island or Kepulauan Seribu is 12%. This research takes the case where the percentage of poor population is the lowest due to is in the process of distributing aid, and its location is close to the central government of DKI Jakarta. Next, this is the literature review. Social assistance program PSBB COVID-19 DKI Jakarta are targeted at 1.2 million poor and vulnerable families residing in Jakarta with the following criteria: criteria 1, criteria 2, and then until criteria 5. The assistance will be distributed through the delivery method to address of the beneficiary residents to avoid crowd of residents. The distribution of social assistance will take place from 9 April to 24 April 2020. And this is the supply chain and the relationship with optimal distribution center. And goal of implementing the supply chain concept is achieved, namely to reduce cost and time in distributing social assistance. And this is the research method that use quantitative data which can be considered in determining a policy. The purpose of the study to determine the optimal distribution center location that has the short routes and minimum cost. This is the mathematical models using gravity location model, and this is the objective function to minimize cost, quantity, and distance. And this is the subject to constraint. This is the constraintnya, and this is the information in constraint and objective functions. Yeah. The steps in this research are as follows: calculate distance, next determine location coordinate, next iteration produce almost the coordinates, and selected the coordinates as the location of the facility with minimum cost and minimum distance. Next, this is the result and discussions. The first, we collect the data, determine location coordinates of the distribution location in the study, took primary data from Google Maps by looking at the coordinates of the location of the sub-district office in Jakarta. This is the table 2. This is the table 2, determine location coordinate. This is the coordinate latitude, longitude, and this is the new coordinate X and new coordinate Y. And new coordinate X and Y using to calculate the next step. This is the calculate distance for distributions, assuming Cilandak is the initial distribution center. So we get new coordinate for X and Y, which then become the initial data to determine the location of distribution center. Then Q is the number of poor people calculated from the percentage of the poor multiplied by the number of households in the sub-districts. And this is the Q, and this is the CI, as assuming transportation costs sub-district to sub-district each other. Next, this is the processing data. Table 4, explain processing data iteration 1, 0.0 from Cilandak sub-districts, and then final result, iteration X is 0.02 and iteration Y 0.02. And then this is the iteration 2, and this is the final result, and optimal result to iteration X is 0.02, and then iteration Y 0.03, and final result to cost is this is it. Okay, next, the conclusion. Determination of the optimal distribution center has been done. In calculating the optimal result obtained at the coordinate 0.02 and 0.03 of the Cilandak district office as the optimal distribution center. Then, in the calculation of distribution cost for the location of the initial distribution center, obtained result of 28,869,235 Indonesian rupiahs. This And this result is the optimal result that can be applied to the initial distribution center. This cost is smaller than the first iteration, which is calculation to reduce cost by 16.73% per one distribution. And then this study can be proposed recommendation to local government for determining the optimal distribution center and prove that gravity location can be used as a consider in determining the optimal distribution center, which aim to minimize time and cost that have been carried out in case study on distribution of social assistance during the COVID-19 pandemics. Thank you for attention and thank you for everyone. Bye.